welcome back to my channel. And I've been 3D printing a lot of stuff now since I've gotten back, but it's more like we're like a Disney channel now, just because we've kind of got back from a cruise. We got back from Disney World, and there's been a whole lot of like inspiration and just pretty much my wife wanting some Disney stuff. So one of the first things that I printed coming back from the Disney cruise was one of these Disney keys. Now this one has her name on it and Tinkerbell, and it's got the castle. Also comes with a little bit with a little holder. This is just a regular print right on MakerWorld. This one's pretty cool. You can customize it. It didn't come in colored. I painted it right in Bambu Studio with a little paintbrush tool, and it's kind of what I came up with. Now I did use Sunlu's filament. I used the Sunlu matte black. I used the regular colored red, and then I used the they have a silk blue and a silk gold, and I used the silk colors there. I think it turned out rather nice. Like I said, it's got the little holder. You can stick it wherever you want. She can put it on display wherever she likes, and there you go. So second up, you guys have already seen these. I already showed you that I made these custom headbands or ears for her birthday. You can stick they're all magnetic. Stick right on. They're good to go. Where's the other one? There you go. I did them in pink. I also did one in black because I didn't know what color she'd like. So make sure you get the magnets the right polarity. So these are not custom. These are on MakerWorld, just as they are. You can customize them, but I did not. Now, before we left, she asked for a couple of other ones, which I wasn't able to make before we actually left, but had them on the printer running. So I've got a Mando and a Grogu. I still have to insert the magnets on these, but these are some pretty fun ones too, to wear Galaxy's Edge or wherever you want to wear them. Now, I will say, the holes for these magnets, they call for 6x3mm magnets, which I've got somewhere around here. The problem that I ran into is the holes that are in the regular print files are just a little too small. So I had to take my little Bantac rotary tool and bone them out a little bit. They also weren't quite deep enough. The ones on the ears aren't too bad. It's the ones on the actual headband portion. You got to go a little bit deeper too. They don't go deep enough. So if you can see the problem with them, I don't know if you'll be able to see it there or not. Some magnets stick out a little higher than others, which will cause the ears to kind of stick up or just not. Actually, it'll cause them to wobble around a little bit if you can see that. They're not falling off. They're super strong, but if they're not all level and even, they're gonna just kind of wobble back and forth, and that's gonna get annoying on your head. Something that I found out while we were down there. Stick all these off to the side and show you what the latest print was. Well, we've got regular Disney ears here, all kinds. This is just a small sample of what my wife has, and they're kind of all over the place. Whoa, you don't want them all over the place, right? So lo and behold, what did I find? It was this ear holder. Again, this one is also on MakerWorld. We went down. The purpose of us going down when we did was for the Festival of the Arts at Epcot, which had Figment. So you see why I went with purple and orange. These just slide right into each other. I'm sure you can glue them in if you want to, but they fit pretty tight. I don't think you're going to have to glue them in. Build them all right here together. Get everything all lined up. And there you go. And these are supposed to hold, house all of your ears. Well, supposed to hold and house the ears from Disney. I'm not going to say all of them because I don't think it's big enough for all the ones in our house. We'll even throw one of these ones on there. And there you go. You've got yourself a nice little display holder for your ears. Again, this is not a custom print. This is something that someone made. It's down on MakerWorld. I'll link it down below. And yeah, we're like geeking out with Disney stuff right now. So if you guys have anything that you want me to print, you've seen some prints that you like, that like, hey, I wonder what these look like, shoot them over my way. I'm happy to print them out and give them a shot for you. But of everything in this video, my favorite thing that I've printed has got to be the magnet placers. These little tools save my fingers and save everything else from getting covered in super glue. Trust me, you're gonna want some of these little guys. But in the meantime, I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for everything. Like, sub, comment down below, anything you want to know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy printing.